Welcome to Referencing and Citations Made Easy for Beginners. This presentation will guide you through the key guidelines for referencing in APA, Harvard, and AMA styles. Mastering these styles is essential for academic writing and research integrity. In this introduction, we outline the essential referencing styles used in medicine and psychology. Our focus will be on APA, Harvard, and AMA methods, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of each. The APA style, 7th edition, is widely used in psychology and social sciences. In-text citations follow the format: author, year. For example, Brown, 2020. Reference list entries for books and journal articles are structured to ensure clarity and consistency. The AMA style, 11th edition, is prevalent in medicine and public health. In-text citations use superscript numbers. For instance, trauma impacts mental health. Reference list entries are numbered, ensuring precise source attribution. Vancouver. Style is commonly used in clinical trials and biomedical journals. In-text citations are indicated by numbers in parentheses or superscript. This style ensures a streamlined and professional presentation of references. The Chicago style, author-date format, is used in interdisciplinary humanities and social sciences. In-text citations are formatted as author year, page. This style provides flexibility and clarity in academic writing. Harvard referencing style uses author-date citations within the text. The basic format is author, last name, year. This style is straightforward and widely adopted across various academic disciplines. In conclusion, understanding different referencing styles is crucial in academic writing. Each style, APA, Harvard, and AMA, has unique features that maintain research integrity and ensure proper source attribution, enhancing clarity and credibility. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. We hope this presentation has clarified the essentials of referencing and citations in academic writing. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Stay informed and enhance your academic skills with our resources.